what we are doing right now is called lyrical prank, meaning we are using lyrics from a song to prank our friends, and then
just to get their reactions and see how they receive the messages. Is read it to me.
I don't like my mind right now. So the song usually goes, but
it's suicidal.
Yeah, it's suicidal, and then we'll just will we leave the link on the description?
Yeah,
we'll leave information in the description box
for the song.
So that you can know what the song is, right?
Hi, how are you? Hello? Poa. Are you busy right now, or you can talk? Oh no, I just wanted to vent. I don't like I don't like my mind right now. I don't like my mind right now. I don't know, I just think I'm stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. I don't know, I just wish I just wish I could slow things down, you know. I don't know. I wanna let go, but I feel like discomfort in the panic, you know. I don't know if it's just everything. Where are you? I'm at home right now. Nico home. Yeah. Because I would like to see you like talk Anna. It's much better than the phone. But okay, right now you can just talk to me. Tell me whatever. I don't know, I'm holding on. Like, I don't know, I just ask myself why everything is so heavy. Tell me one thing. I'm so... Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right there and tell you. This is a prank. Yeah. It's a lyrical prank. We are shooting a YouTube episode. Yeah, it's a song. Actually, those are lyrics from a song. Aki, I'm very serious. I know. Yeah. Yeah, that sounded suicidal. Yeah, tuko poa, and thank you for indulging us, you know. At least now I know, you know, yeah, nikiwa na shida, I know you are there.
Aww.
Sawa, tunakupenda pia.
Kwanza mapenzi yetu inakuja mara mbili.
Morina anasema kwanza mapenzi yetu inakuja mara mbili. I'm so sorry for making you. Yeah. Sawa. Okay. Sawa. Okay. Sawa, have a nice day. Okay. Bye.
Tunaonekana wote. Unaona nayo.
Tuko sawa, tunaonekana vizuri.
Uliache kirekodi. Hiyo dot ya red ina blink hapo.
End whenever it. Yeah, so you were asking?
No, I wasn't asking. It was just like a statement I wanted to say. This is 2022 and this is our first video together, right? The last video we did was how to use a DSLR camera, and I was the one doing the video, but this time you see we are together and
thank God they're both online. They're both online somewhere.
Yeah, but they're gonna come right back as we wait on them. Can we like look for somebody else?
Dishon might be at work, but let me see.
Let us see if he'll respond. I don't like my mind right now.
Yeah, so he's online somewhere. Let's just wait. The trick about this and people responding is that some of them are at work.
Oh yes.
So let me try Weaver also.
Oh, Weaver is also a YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is called
Weaver
Bad. So if you want to check out her content, you can also check her out on her YouTube channel. She does good stuff in there. Her last video was on moving out.
I know if we prank Weaver like this, I don't even know what she'd tell us.
Why are you scared of what she'd say?
I'm not scared. Why would they be scared of what Weaver would tell us?
Like, okay, what do you think Weaver would tell us?
That is what I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. And then you know Weaver, normally she does pranks on people, so I know this will be a first one for her.
Oh, but Weaver is nowhere online. This challenge is going to pass her like that, like hot wind, hot air. Why are you laughing?
Hot wind.
Hot wind and hot air, what's the difference? Oh, Dishon has just responded. He's asking WhatsApp. So the next...
Okay, normally, let me just explain something real quick. Normally, I mean, this song is suicidal. So, like, I don't think our friends think that we are strong people such that, you know, when you start sounding suicidal, I don't think our friends feel like we'd ever go to those extremes. You understand? That's why it's very hard for them to, like, get such a message and then, you know, like, take it lightly. So the first sentence we sent to him is, I don't like my mind right now. So now, Maureen, the second sentence, Maureen is gonna write it to him. I'm just stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Let's see how he'll respond to that. Okay, let's wait and see how he responds to that. But I also want to let you know, to everybody, our friends, we are very thankful for you and we are very grateful because you are people who care, you know. So yeah, much as it's a lyrical prank, we're not taking it lightly that you're taking your time off your whatever you're doing to, you know, respond to us. But it's just a prank.
Do you know what's the worst thing that can happen right now?
What?
Credit you to Kiira.
You know, Dishon is such a joker. His response, kwani umeshikwa bila mask? He's asking if we've been arrested without a mask. Yeah, I'm a WhatsApp. He's asking what's wrong.
Let go, but there's comfort in the panic.
But there's comfort in the panic.
I keep dragging.
Keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free.
Down. What?
After responding, we should respond.
I keep dragging around. So Dishon has just responded, and his answer is, take it slow. What is happening? Ama, what happened? So my response is, I keep dragging around. Read for me.
Where?
What's bringing me
down? If I just let go, I'll be set free. That really sounds suicidal, actually. I don't know if you guys know this song. That really sounds suicidal. Even me, I feel like if a friend texted me these words, it would be, I'd be worried, you know. Because, you know, mental health is a very serious
issue,
yeah. And when someone reaches out...
Oh, Weaver has responded with what's wrong.
So I'm stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. That's the next line. So let's wait and see how Weaver is gonna respond. What I'm really curious about is their response to them knowing that you're pranking them.
Yeah. I'm sorry, you guys will still be able to forgive us and love us after this.
Yeah.
But we just had to prank you a little bit.
Yeah.
We were bored and
yeah. So I hope the reaction is gonna be, oh my god, Dishon has responded. What is he saying?
Oh, let me just tell Dishon it's a prank, cause now
he's getting serious. He's really getting worried.
Yeah, so he's like
asking, what's in your mind right now? Give me an example. Oh, Dishon, we love you so much. Let's just tell him it's a prank, okay? It's getting serious. Tell him we're shooting a YouTube video and this is just a prank. It's just a prank. We're shooting
lyrical prank
for YouTube. Making you worried.
So I've told him, oh Dishon, it's just a lyrical prank for YouTube. We're so sorry for making you worry. Oh god.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see what he'll respond with, right? Yeah.
Weaver.
I like that.
Yeah, Weaver's like, you know, you say they don't like my mind right now, stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Weaver's like, wait, what? Which twin is this? I wanna talk.
I usually
about
don't
them.
like. Okay, we usually don't like telling people which twin they're talking about.
So just
talking with.
Yeah, just tell her.
What's the next?
It's both of us. I'm stacking up problems that I wish I could slow things down.
I could
slow things down.
But
no, I wanna let go, but there's comfort in the panic. Although that's not like writing 2 sentences, but it's okay because at the rate at which you are moving, I feel like we might need to tell them sooner than later that it's a prank. You know, people are becoming worried. Dishon.
what? Dishon,
What's
where
Dishon
are you?
saying?
Oh, Dishon. Dishon has sent a sticker. It's still loading, but okay.
Oh, he's laughing. It's a GIF. He's laughing. It's like, Nikama, I knew something was up because I would have called. Really, to ask him, really, you know us that well. Did you really think it was a prank, or because it sounds suicidal? You really didn't think it was serious? Yeah. You really didn't think it was serious and it sounds suicidal.
So the people we've pranked 4 people. Yeah, we've already told Anne that it was just a prank.
also
and then
Dishon. So Anne really thought it was very serious. She actually wanted to stop what she was doing.
Yeah, and we are so sorry for making you panic like that.
Yeah, and
then Dishon, he kinda knew the.
I feel like Dishon, we know each other so
well that we know when we are messing with each other,
right? And also we know serious times when Dishon talks and there's a problem, you know, but he's a serious joker.
Yes.
And I think like it goes both ways when we are interacting with each other, and when there's a serious problem, I feel like he normally feels it, you know. So I feel like when he says he didn't really feel like this was so serious, he already knew there was something was up. I think it's on the level we relate with each other. Yeah. Oh my god. You know, I normally see people doing lyrical pranks, and
we've never really done it ourselves. So like
when it's different when you're watching it on YouTube, but it's also different when you're actually doing it to somebody, you know.
Yeah,
like writing these words, because you know, when I believe the musicians who are writing these songs, they were in a certain place.
Yeah, or they're going through something that made them write a particular song. Yeah.
So it's actually different when you're doing it to somebody you actually know or care about.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like some people don't know how to respond to what crisis, if I may call it, because there are those friends of ours who we've talked about. I mean, we send them the lyrical prank, they've answered immediately, but you find that the others,
when you start getting to the deep stuff,
right,
they take the kind of like stuck.
Exactly. I feel like people really don't know how to maneuver, you know, or how to deal with, you know, psychological issues. If friends have psychological issues, not all of us are equipped with the tools to help our friends when they're going through this. But it doesn't mean that people don't want to help. It just means they don't know how to help.
How do I ask? What would you tell a person who comes to you with suicidal thoughts? Because you know, there are like what is clinically considered right to say and what is clinically considered wrong to say to a person who has suicidal thoughts. Like, I don't know if I can be able to navigate those as an advisor. Yeah.
Okay, it has never really happened to me, as in nobody has ever really come to me and say, Maureen, I feel like committing suicide. But I feel like, should that ever happen, you know, just the fact that this person came to you, I feel like I'd try as much as possible to keep them on their phone, at least to give me the chance to try and de-escalate the person's, you know, the person's quench for suicide at that time. So I feel like I just keep them on the phone to try and de-escalate, you know. Yeah, but I don't know.
But then again, in such a situation, when the person goes ahead and commits suicide anyway, you don't blame yourself, because you as a person, you've tried everything you can to help them. And considering you're not a professional doctor, I don't, please don't take what I'm saying the wrong way, but I'm just saying, if you've tried everything you can, and they still commit suicide, no, it's not your fault.
Yeah, we'd like to know your thoughts on this. Just leave a comment, you know,
because it's a sensitive
issue.
Yeah,
exactly. So leave a comment, and then before we tell you our friends' reactions, because I think it's about time we tell them it's a joke, because most of them get serious
fumbling with words, I can see.
So we need to before we tell you their reactions, because they can see they're typing, I just want to remind you very fast to subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not, and if you're a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for watching this episode
and always coming back. Remember, and also for those who are watching, please just leave a comment down below so that we can know that you are here,
right?
Okay,
so Eva has responded. Oh, she's like, I don't understand, babe, are you okay?